Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'm going to break the wall of destructive papermaking. Okay. Here we go. So every year, paper production causes huge amount of deforestation, leading to a loss of billions of trees and emission of significant amount of greenhouse gas. Also, to make the matters worse, the current papermaking method is both chemically and energy intensive. So I wanted to look for a better way to make paper, and then in my research, I found a very unusual but renewable alternative paper raw material, which is cow dung. Because cow dung contains high amount of cellulose, which is the main building block of paper, and then it's also very abundant material because in Mongolia alone, in every day, more than 60,000 tons of cow manure is generated. So to make this idea work, our team has been working on this idea for the last 2.5 years, and then we have already developed our minimum viable product, and then we also patented our technology, and then we set up a small-scale working paper studio. And then we actually started generating income by selling business cards and postcards, like small printed products. So now our team is working on scaling up the idea by automating the papermaking process, and also, and then by implemented at a bigger scale, this idea can per every ton of paper production from cow dung, we can save up to 20 trees while preventing the emission of 2 tons of greenhouse gases, and also without using any chlorine or sulfur chemically intensive products, while also using low energy, because cow dung is very easier and softer to process than traditional wood. I'm kind of finished with the presentation. Now I can welcome the questions. Thank you.